Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Ken and this is Ken's Guitar Workshop, and we're getting back to work on the top for this Deacon copy. Alright, we're doing a little test fit. This has to be clamped down over here. One thing I did notice, we have a little bit of a gap right in here. I think this portion is a little too high, so I'm gonna pop this back off and do a little sanding, see if we can get that nice and straight. Alright, so I've also decided to do the old tape and super glue trick, and I'm going to run this through the joiner planer. And that's going to be my handle to do it with, so. Safety police, go ahead. Leave your comments. I don't know how long this is going to take to dry. So when this thing dries, we'll get over to the joiner planer. Okay, so as you can tell by my different color shirt, it's a couple days later. I took the patch for the arm contour over to the joiner planer and shaved it down a little bit thinner than the cap for the body, just so it would be a little more pliable around the corner of the arm contour. And I've got it dry clamped, I guess, dry fitted or dry clamped in place now. So let's go down and take a look at it. Okay, as you see, we've got it all dry clamped. It's all in there nice and tight, all the way around. It's a little trick with some sandpaper there, because I'm clamping in this area where there's a tummy cut. I had to put a piece of maple across the top and clamp that for moving. And then because this is at like a, I don't know, maybe a 20 degree angle or so, what I did is I took a piece of 80 grit sandpaper, sprayed some spray adhesive on the back of it, folded it over, put some weight on it, let it dry, and then when I affix the clamp it with the sandpaper between the wood and the end of the clamp. So the roughness of the sandpaper grabs the clamp and grabs the wood and holds it in place. Whereas before, as you were tightening up the clamp was working its way out and it would just pop off. So, what's next? Let's remove all the clamps, break out the tight bond, and get this sucker glued in. Okay, so it's like 40 degrees out here, and we're gonna call it quits for this one. We'll be back next time when I remove the clamps and then sand down the cap on the arm contour, and then we'll be gluing the flame top on. So in the meantime, you guys behave yourself, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.